Hello and welcome. Today you are going to learn how to make vegetarian buttermilk pancakes. Now this is going to consist of 3 phases. The first phase, we are going to look at the ingredients that's required to make the pancakes. The second phase, we are going to combine the ingredients to make the pancake batter. And the third phase, we are going to cook the pancakes on the griddle.
Here are the items you will need: flour, baking powder, salt, soy milk, oil, fresh squeezed lemon juice, your measuring cups, including a half a cup, your measuring spoons, your whisk, and also your bowl to mix the batter, and your skillet. Because this is a vegetarian buttermilk pancake, the first thing we're going to do is to measure out the buttermilk, which requires 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and 1 cup of milk. So we're going to measure it out. So once this is poured out, you're going to let this stand for approximately 10 minutes. And you will need 2 tablespoons of oil, which you can pour it 2 tablespoons using the measuring spoon, or you can use this and just pour the oil until you get to 2 tablespoons. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil in the buttermilk and stir it. We're going to measure out 1 cup of flour. And we are going to just scrape off the top just so you get the equal amount of 1 cup and pour it in a bowl. 1 tablespoon of sugar. You're going to measure out 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Think about this. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And just like we did with the flour, you want to just scrape off the top portion so you have equal amount, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So you're going to plug in the griddle and set it to 300 degrees. The dry ingredients, you want to sift it around just to get everything equal out. So you want to mix it around. Now we're going to pour your buttermilk into the dry mixture and stir. And you're going to stir until everything is saturated and combined and you don't have any dry residue. You don't have any dry, everything is just stirred in. You're going to spray the griddle with your cooking spray. Evenly spray it. Now you're going to measure out 1/2 cup of milk, or batter actually, and pour it on the griddle. You know the pancake is ready to be flipped when the edges are dried and the top portion is dried up as well. So you're going to use your spatula and you are going to be careful with it and you're going to flip it over. And then we're going to do the next one. You see it's the same way. The edges are cooked. There's no more liquid on top. So using your spatula, you're going to flip it over. Now when you flip it over, you want to check to see if it's brown, getting a little golden. So you kind of use your spatula and look underneath to see if it's getting a little golden. And then if it's not, then you let it sit for maybe another 30 seconds or so. You kind of check. Same thing for this. You want to look under, peep underneath, and it's not ready. This is what it looks right now. But I want it a little golden some more, so I'm going to flip it over and let it sit and get brown. I'm ready to take it off. I check it's about right. Put it there in the plate. Check, it's ready. Pause it, pause it. Turn off the griddle. When you're all done, you turn off the griddle, you unplug. So here's your final product, vegetarian buttermilk pancake. Enjoy.